Alright guys, this video here is the 2018 AMC Test A Question 3, alright? I'm going to show you how to solve this. Now, this question is actually quite simple, alright? If you really do the calculations correctly. And this is a lot of numbers, so let's read the question. A unit of blood expires after 10 factorial, which is equal to 10 times 9 times 8 times 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 seconds. Yassine donates, I don't know how to say it. Is this Yassine? Or, alright, tell me if I'm wrong, alright? Yassine donates a unit of blood at noon on January 1st, alright? January 1st. On what day does his unit of blood expire? Okay? So, it's asking us to how many days after January 1st does this unit of blood expire. And so to do that, alright, it's telling us days right here, but it's telling us seconds right here, alright? So we want to try to convert our seconds into days. Okay? Let's remember, convert your units. So how do we do that, okay? So well, we know that this is how many seconds it takes, so we're going to write that down. 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6, 5, 4, 3. Come on, go quicker. 2, 1. Oh, there we go. We're gonna draw a fraction line, all right? Because we're gonna try to divide this by the number of seconds in a day. And we know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. We know that 1 hour is 60 minutes, and we know that 1 day is 24 hours. Okay. So we have this down. And so we don't have to multiply these out, right? We can just start crossing things out. We have 10 and 6 right here. We know that 6 times 10 is 60, so we can cross this out. We can cross the 60 out. We know that 3 times 2 is 6, times 4 is 24, and we can cross that out right there. We know that, let's see, what else can we cross out? Well, we can cross out this 5 right here, and we can divide the 60 by 5. 60 divided by 5 is 12, so we have a times 12 instead right here. And let's see. Oh, we have this 9 right here. 9 is 3 times 3, so you can write 3 times 3 up here. This is a times 3, and we have 8, which is 4 times 2 times 4 times 2. And look at this right here. 12 is 4 times 3, so we can just cross out 4 times 3, and here we are crossing out 12. So finally, the number of days it takes us, alright, because all we divided by is how many seconds 1 day is. Well, we divided the amount of seconds it takes the blood to expire divided by the amount of seconds 1 day is, and that will equal to the number of days. Alright, so here we have our final equation. We have 3 times 2 times 7 times 1. Alright, 3 times 2 times 7, that is 6 times 7, or times 1. Alright, because 3 times 2 is 6. We can cross out this 1, it doesn't really matter. So we have 6 times 7, which is 42 days. Alright, so we have 42 days. And it's asking us on what day does his unit of blood expire? Well, it will expire after 42 days, alright, because we just did our math right here. And 42 days, it's not asking us 42 days including January 1st, it's saying 42 days after January 1st, okay? Because it's not including this time that it takes right here. So don't get confused by that, alright? So it's just including January 1st. We know that January has 31 days, alright? So 31 days minus our first day, which is 30. Alright, so our 42 days is going to take up January, and it's going to take up, alright, it's going to take up January, so we do 42 minus 30, which is 12. And we're going 12 days into February. Well, which one of these is 12 days into February? Well, it looks here that February 12th is 12 days into February. And there you go, that is your answer.